Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Kids, now we are writing capital letter alphabets and numbers. First we are opening colors. Sky blue color. And the next one is blue color. Stay with us. Kids, the next one is brown color. Brown color. Dark green color. Yeah, orange color. Kids, the next one is red color. Red color. Dark pink color. And the next one is light pink color, yellow color, green color, black color, purple color, white color, and the last one is silver color. First we're using the color of blue color, and now we're writing A for apple. The next one is B for ball, C for cow, C for cat, D for dog. Red color. Now we're using the color of red. The alphabet of E for egg, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, and the next one is H for hand. Yellow color. Now we're using the color of yellow. I, J, K, L. Dark green color. Now we are opening the color of dark green. M, N, O, P for penguin. Orange color. Orange color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Silver color. 6, SIX 7, 8, EIGHT 9, NINE 9, 10, TEN 10. Thank you so much for watching.